Bayti Real Estate is pleased to present this fully furnished and fitted office space available for lease immediately. This 2,981 square foot workspace is thoughtfully designed, featuring 4 CEO offices, 2 meeting rooms and 2 private cabins, providing an ideal environment for leadership, collaboration and focus. The welcoming reception and waiting area sets a professional tone from the moment you enter. An open workspace comfortably accommodates up to 60 staff, promoting productivity and efficiency. The office is equipped with a private pantry and 2 washrooms, ensuring convenience for you and your team. Additional benefits include 3 dedicated parking spaces and service charges at just 5% of the annual rental fee. Chiller charges are 15 dirhams per square foot plus VAT per annum. Situated just a short walk from the World Trade Center metro station, right off Sheikh Zayed Road, this office offers an exceptional location with seamless access to Dubai's bustling business hub. For more information, to schedule a viewing or to list your property with us, please contact myself on the details provided.